kynhun hynniew tylli sengbhalang nerilum Garo kila pynlong ya jingshong kyllain mungor Tura dawa pynurlong no ya santli kimat hapoh Garo Hills Autonomous District Council Tura. Kini sengbhalang ki Shong kyllain mungor kintup ya ka ADE, GSU, AYWO, FAF, FKJGP, TGCSU, bat ke FKJGP TGC Cell. Kamat dawa baningkong jong kini hynniew tylli sengbhalang kalong bandan la jong ke electoral roll hapoh GHADC. Ban pinstat ya jing pentrai kam ya Garo customary law, ban pentrai kam no ya finance rule, ban pentrai kam ya service rule, bat ka bakhaddo kade bandan no da public account committee.
Of April and today, it is 25th of April. This demonstration, sitting demonstration is projected to show the government that we are serious about certain issues regarding the GHADC. One of the issues that we are pursuing with the GHADC is the separate electoral roll, which we really feel that is the need of the hour, because the autonomous district councils are meant for the indigenous people of the state, and because these autonomous district councils, the very essence of the autonomous district council is to safeguard the interests of the indigenous people, that is the tribal people. So we are asking that the general electoral roll should not be applicable to the ADCs. That is why we are asking for a separate electoral roll in the GHADC. And I think in the month of November 2024, they have passed the resolution, the district council MDCs, they have passed the resolution in the district council that separate electoral roll will be pursued, and for that matter some amendments will have to be done in certain rules regarding elections. So for that amendment they have constituted a committee. However, till that the committee has not functioned, it's not functional as of yet. That's why we are asking the GHADC to speed up the process so that the committee will function and the necessary amendments can be met, so that this separate electoral roll can be met for the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. And second, we are asking for the quick codification of Garo customary law, because on the same date, that is on November 20th, I think it was on 20th November 2024, they passed another resolution, all the MDCs of GHADC, the Treasury and the opposition included. They have passed the resolution that the codification of Garo customary law should be done. And so that bill has been forwarded to the state government, to the DCA. I think it's still pending with the DCA. So we are just reminding the government that the process should be sped up, so that this Garo customary law should be implemented in the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. And furthermore, we have seen that the functioning of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council is deteriorating due to one factor, that is the council, especially the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, has been very much unaccountable and untransparent. It has never been transparent. So we are asking from some mechanisms so that transparency and accountability will be there in the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. So the three mechanisms we are asking for is to create a finance rule for the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, and to create service rules for the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. And we are also asking for a public accounts committee, and that committee, the chairman of that committee should be from among the elected MDCs and also from the opposition bench, as in line with the public accounts committee of the government of Meghalaya. So these are the things that we are pursuing with the council, but we are not keeping any timeline by when it should be done, because these are 5 different issues. So we'll be pursuing this. We'll be, I think, in the second week or first week of May, we'll be going to Shong. We'll pursue it with the DCA, the District Council's Affairs Minister, President Shong also will go and meet him regarding the issue of GCL. And